Hi my friend, Christian here from moремicrojobs.com. So here it's a simple video, short video about how you can free register to Gigora.com. So you need to push here, to click here on register. Then you need to insert your username. I will choose test like a demonstration username. And you need to insert your email. You can also use your social accounts for registration process, but I advise you to use your email. Then you need to push here on register. A new window will pop out. You can see here, you can read the registration complete, username test, and the password was emailed to you. So you need to go to your inbox and check this password. If you don't find a message from Gigora in your inbox, please check your junk mail or spam mail. So here we are. I just received this message. So I will copy this password. I will go back to Gigora and I will push here on login. I will insert my chosen username and my password I just received, and I will push here on sign in. Okay, so it was a 1-minute process registration. You need right now to go to your personal information. So in order to brand yourself and win customer trust, you need to complete some personal details here. You need also to complete to insert your PayPal account, so in order to be paid. Then you need to go here and start posting your skills and talents in order to make money online. Thank you, bye bye. Christian here from moремicrojobs.com.